As a credit union, we're cooperative, and we have that very nature built into us as to work together and kind of come up with solutions, and it's a people helping people philosophy. And so I think if we have more chance to share more stories of the various organizations out there that you're putting on your show, it's a greater opportunity to other people to jump in and help them expand their cause and do greater and bigger things in our communities.
Welcome back to Game Changers. My name is Jess Knox. I'm the host today. I'm here with Jason Judd. We're here today at Town & Country Federal Credit Union to talk a little bit about Jason's work. Jason, tell our viewers about the things you guys are doing at Project Login.
Sure. So Project Login is a program of Educate Maine, business-led nonprofit, and basically what we're trying to do is increase the number of professionals in the tech industry here in the state. And what we do is we work with students from basically birth through retirement on computer science education. We work really closely with higher ed institutions in Maine to bring business into schools and match students with opportunities for internships. And then we also work with adults who are interested in going to the tech industry that want some short-term training opportunities.
It sounds like a great program. How do you think all of those programs work together to build a community for sort of job opportunities and opportunities for the future?
Sure. So what we do is we're often the convening organization where we bring business and education together and figure out how they can learn from each other and how they can support each other. So oftentimes that means matching students with specific jobs and opportunities in business, and also bringing business into the classroom to show students what opportunities are involved in the tech industry in the state.
I suspect in this process of talking to both employers and to educational institutions and students, you probably see some opportunities to do some really big things. If you had a wand and you could wave that wand and achieve your moonshot, what would your moonshot be?
Sure. So in Maine, we need a lot more students and adults with tech skills. So what we'd love to see is to have all K-12 students have access to computer science opportunities right during the school day.
It sounds like I'm all for that. I think that's a great idea. So if people want to get involved, if they want to find out more about Project Login or Educate Maine, how can they do that?
You can certainly follow us on social media at Project Login on Facebook and Twitter. We've got a great website, projectlogin.com, where you can find out more information or simply sign up for one of our events as you hear about them throughout the state.
Well, I'll see you there.
Great, thanks.
Thanks very much for being here.
Thank you.